In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a gradient here in Canva. Now, one thing to quickly note, and that is, you can actually create gradients on backgrounds, shapes, table cells, frames, and brand kits. So let me go ahead and show you how to do this. Now, unfortunately, we can't actually add gradients to text as of now, but hopefully Canva will change that. But if we just open a brand new page, let's go with this background and let's make this a gradient. And it's going to be the exact same way if you want to create it on something else. So what we're going to do is click onto the background. We're then going to click onto the color icon just here. We're going to come over to the left hand side and scroll down to the bottom where we see these gradients. Now we can choose any of these default ones just like that, and now we have a gradient. Now if you want to change the color of this, you can simply come back up to the top, come to document colors just here and click on this little plus icon. It's then going to open the gradient tab where we can actually choose different styles of gradients. We can also change these colors by clicking onto them, add in the hex code of a color that we want just here, or even choosing the color in this little color palette, just like that. Now you can delete these and even add even more. So if I click onto the plus icon, it adds another gradient. We can then hover over the old ones and delete that. Now this isn't a gradient, so let's just go ahead and maybe change that to red, maybe make that a little bit darker, just like that. Now that's how you can create a gradient, very, very simple. If you want to do it from scratch without the presets, it's again as simple as clicking onto the background color, come into the little plus icon, and then we can choose the gradient tab just here, and then we can do this from scratch. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to create a gradient here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.